Hello folks. In this episode of One Paper, 1 Minute, we will explore the mechanism behind intracontinental orogens, aka those mountain chains that form far from any continental collision zones. We'll look at the 500 million years old Petermann orogen in Central Australia. We combine multi-technique analysis to obtain a detailed history of the orogen, which started at 630 million years ago and went through shallow exhumation 400 million years ago. We already knew that the Petermann orogen rose from the reactivation of the 1.3 billion years old Musgrave orogen, but what our study clearly shows is that the deformation of the Australian continent interior is in fact continuing to this day. What's more, we observe no deformation between the collision zone and the continental interior. This implies that some parts of the lithosphere act as rigid blocks which transmit the stress, whereas deformation occurs where the lithosphere was already weak, like where an old orogen happened, for example. That's it folks, and see you next time.